Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Instagram user, you know how easy it is to start a post and then forget about it in your drafts. Today, we're diving into how to see drafts on Instagram in 2025. Whether you're a casual scroller or a content creator, this quick guide will help you uncover those hidden gems you started but never finished. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Instagram updates frequently, and for 2025, they've made some tweaks to make everything more user-friendly. Open the app and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right. That's your menu button. Tap on it, and you'll see a drop-down with various options. Scroll down until you find your library, or directly, drafts. In the 2025 update, Instagram has emphasized better organization, so this section might be more prominent. Tap on it, and voila! You'll see a list of all your saved drafts, including photos, videos, and reels you've started but not posted. If you don't see your drafts right away, don't panic. Sometimes, you might need to refresh the app or check your account settings under Account in the Settings menu. Pro tip: to edit a draft, just tap on it, make your changes, and hit Share when you're ready. This feature is super handy for planning content ahead. One more thing. In 2025, Instagram has added a search function within drafts, so you can quickly find something specific. Remember, drafts are private until you post them, so feel free to experiment. There you have it, folks. A simple way to access your drafts and get back to creating. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.